The other day, the truck came to deliver 3M granules to us here at SchabelTech. Since we are a stocking distributor of 3M granules, I wanted to show you our process of unloading the truck. For this, we need our forklift. It takes a team effort. We like to weigh and inspect our pallets of granules. We want to make sure there are no holes or damaged bags. Once they look good, we assign a lot number. And finally, we stack the pallets with a lot of precision and caution. We repeat this process. And again until all the pallets are off the truck. We stack all the 3M granules nicely in our warehouse until they are shipped out to the job site or customer's warehouse. Once the truck is empty, we send the truck back to get more. Thanks for watching. Our info can be found in the description section below. Make sure to like and subscribe for the best granule content on YouTube.